Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the exercise 3.5. Some problems we are discussing in this exercise. Today we are continuing this exercise. See, I will go to the fourth and third questions. In the first question, second question is there. So very easy is there. I will in the similar questions I will explain in the last classes. You have to see in the last classes. You have to solve in your home. Okay. So I will go to the question number 3. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answers and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks being awarded for each correct answers and 2 marks being deducted for each incorrect answers, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Yes, one test is there. So in the test, I don't know how many questions are there. Okay, but Yash is facing the test. He got 40 marks. First he got 40 marks. Okay, see how we are getting the 40, how is he getting the 40 marks? See, 3 marks for each right answer. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ರೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗೆ 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸರಿ ಬರ್ದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 30 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಅವನೇನಾದ್ರು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಾಂಗ್, 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5 marks he is getting a incorrect answers. He got the incorrect answers, so he lost 5 marks. So first 10 questions attend ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 questions ಗೆ 3 marks ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 marks ಆಯ್ತು. In the same time 5 questions ಅನ್ನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. So 5 questions ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 marks ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So 30 marks gain ಆಯ್ತು, 5 marks loss ಆಯ್ತು. Total marks 30 minus 5 it become 25. Like that 40 marks he awarded for 40 marks. When the 3 marks for each correct answers and losing for 1 marks for each incorrect answer are mean wrong answers. So how many questions are attending that in the test? As well as 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answer. Correct answer ಗೆ 4 marks ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ, ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಸೊ 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿ ಗೇನ್ ದಟ್. ಸಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. How many questions are correct answer, how many questions are incorrect answers. So we have to find out. So let me find out. So fourth question, third questions I will take it as third questions. See, I don't know how many questions are incorrect, correct questions, how many incorrect answers. Correct. So let us take it as number of let number of correct answer. Let number of correct answer is equal to x. Like number of wrong answer or incorrect answer, both are same, is equal to y. Okay. See next, first case. What is the first case? Yash scored 40 marks. So in a 40 marks test, in a 40 marks test, if he Yash getting 40 marks, when in a 40 marks test Yash getting 3 marks for each correct answer, and losing for 1 marks for each wrong answer questions. Okay, see first how many questions we are getting, I don't know, that is x. So for each each correct answers he getting how many marks? 3 marks. How many questions he attended? X, I don't know. Correct answers ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x ಅನ್ನೋದು 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ 10 into 30 10 into 3 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. like that 3x xb correct answer. Therefore so 3 marks into each correct answer means x 3x, and losing means minus. So how many questions he attended? 1 marks he losed. How many questions he attended? I don't know. Therefore y. Okay, that's why 1y or y. Okay, see ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ 30 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅವನು 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1 ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. Like that, second case, in a 50 marks test, suppose 50 marks test agidde, avaga see how much 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answers. 4 marks for each correct answer. And 2 marks for each incorrect answer or wrong answer. Both are same. Wrong answer. See how many marks he got it? Each correct answer 4 marks. 4 into how many correct answers he attended? We don't know. Therefore x minus losing is deducted. Correct? 4 marks for each correct answers and 2 marks for each wrong answers. So he is losing, he is getting. This is 4 marks. Yes, getting. He getting 4 marks for each correct answers and losing is deducted. Both are same. Deducted 2 marks for each incorrect answer or wrong answer. So 4 into x, 4x minus losing means minus 2. So wrong answer means y, 2y is equal to how many marks? Total marks is 50. This is called as number 2. Otherwise you have to reduce this form. So the whole equation is divided by 2. It becomes 2x minus of y is equal to 25. So this is equation number 3. So solve 1 and 2, we will get the x and y value. Solve 1 and 2. See what is the one for first equation? 3x minus of y is equal to 40. What is the second equation? 2x minus of y is equal to 25. So here y term already equal. So therefore you have to subtract it. You have to change your sign. So plus it become minus, minus it become plus. This is also minus. So 3x and 2x. What we have to do? Subtraction. It become x. Plus y minus y get cancelled. It is equal to remaining minus 25 and 40. It become minus. So 40 minus of 25 it is equal to 50. Okay. So x is equal to 50. Okay. The next from 1 have to take it 3x minus of 3 into x means 15 minus of y is equal to 40. So 15 into 3 45. 45 minus of y is equal to 40. So 45 have to keep here only. So minus 40 is equal to minus 5, it becomes plus 5. Therefore y is equal to 5. 45 minus of 5, 40 is equal to 5. Therefore how many correct answer? Number of correct answers is, number of questions correct answer is 15. Wrong answers means 5. See, for example, he get it for each correct answer. How much marks in the first case? Each correct answers 3 marks. How many correct attend the correct answers? He get it the 15 questions he attend the correct answers. So that's why how much marks he is getting? 15 into 3. For each correct answer is 3 marks. So how many questions he attended? 15 marks. So what is the score? 45. And losing that, how many questions he is losing? 5 questions he is losing. For each questions, how many marks he is losing? 1 marks. So therefore 1 into 5, it becomes 5. So 50, 45 is become 5, it becomes 40 marks in the first case. Like that in the second case. So how many questions for each awarded for each correct answer? How much? 4 marks. How many questions he attended? 15 marks. 15 questions is correct answers. So each correct answer he is getting 4 marks. Therefore 60 marks. And how many questions are incorrect answers? 5 questions. For losing, for each questions losing, how many marks is losing? 1 marks. Correct. So how many questions is there? 2. Sorry, 2 marks. Here 2 is there. So 5 into 2 how much? 10. 60 minus 10 is how much? 50. Therefore 50 marks in the second cases. Do you understand? This is the verifications, our reference. Okay, that's all. So next students, the next question. Are you understood this question? Okay. It's a very important question. This is also. The next question. Yes, next. Places A and B are 100 km apart from a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same directions at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of 2 cars? See, one highway is there. This is one of the highway. Okay. In that, A and B, 2 cars are there. Okay, 2 cars are there. Apart from how much kilometer of distance? To 100 kilometer. See, from A to B car. So the distance between car A and car B is 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer distance alli ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಗಳು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. So in the first case, one car means car A. One car starts from A. A point ಇಂದ one car ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And the same time, same directions at the different speed. See, another from B. So one car A point ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು car B point ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. At the same time, if the car travels in the same directions at the different speed, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಕಾರು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಾರು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, but the speed of the 2 cars are different. I don't know what is the speed of car A and what is the speed of car B. We don't know. That's why the cars are the speed of the 2 cars are different. So if you are traveling in the same directions, so ಇದು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ? 5 hours after. 5 hours after, car B and car A are meet at each other. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ? 5 hours ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. So next, same, but the different speeds. They meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, for example, car C, A ಇದೆ, B ಇದೆ. So ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. After the 5 hours, the 2 cars meet at the same points. That is called C point. So after 5 hours, but car A and car B, the speed of car A and speed of the car B are different. Here also car A and car B is also different speeds, but in this case, second case, the 2 cars are traveling towards each other, opposite directions. Opposite directions ಅಲ್ಲಿ travel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So travel ಆದಾಗ 1 hour after he meet at one point, that is called as D. We call it as D. So how much distance he traveled car A and how much distance is car B, I don't know. 1 hour after, A and B cars are travel at the same points. So what we have to calculate? Are you understand the meaning of questions? See, what are the speed of 2 cars? What is the speed of car A and speed of car B? We have to calculate. Okay, let us find out. Yes, let see, this is car A and this is car B. The distance between the 2 cars are 100 km. So let the speed of car A be x kilometer per hour and the speed of car B y kilometer per hour. Okay. We don't know what is the speed of the two cars. That's why first car x and second car b y kilometer per hour. So in the first case, so the distance between the two cars, the distance between two cars is how much? 100 kilometer. That means AB is equal to 100 kilometer. Are you understood? So case 1. So what? Car A covers the distance. See, the distance covered covered by car A to the point C. I will write here now. See, this is the car A point, this is the car B point. These two cars, the distance between the two cars are 100 km. This car A is traveling in the same directions and B is also same directions. After 5 hours, the car A and car B meet at the point C. So A ಇಂದ C ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ B ಇಂದ C ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ B ನು ಕೂಡ 5 hours ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, A ನು ಕೂಡ 5 hours ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. A ಕಾರು ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು 10 o'clock ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ 10 o'clock ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕಾರು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 5 hours they are meet at one point, that is called a C point. Okay, I don't know how much distance is covered A car to the point C and how much distance he covered car B. We don't know. That's why, so the distance covers the point car A to the point C. So that's why I will write the diagram. See, we know that S is equal to d by t formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Correct? So now, how many speed? So distance we have to calculate. D is equal to, we have to cross multiply that S into t. So what is the distance? We don't know. So that's why time how much? We don't know. That's why see speed. What is the car A speed? Speed of the car A is x kilometer and time how much? Time. So first car how much distance? AC. So the first car A is travel how many distance? AC. We don't know. That's why AC is equal to S means x, T means 5 hours. Therefore AC is equal to 5x. Then the distance covered by the distance. See, case 1. What is the case 1? The two cars are travels in the same directions. I will write here. Sorry, I will write now another one time. See, case 1. The two cars travels in the same directions. That's it. Now you have to write it. So this is car A, this is car B, this is the distance between the two cars is 100 km. So the point is the car A and car B is traveling in a same directions. So car A to the distance covered the car A to the point C and distance covered the car B to the point C. So after the 5 hours it meet at the point C. The two cars meet at the point C. Therefore the distance covered by car A, the distance covered by car A, the distance covered by car A to the point C. A ಇಂದ C ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we know that formula S is equal to d by t. To get here S is equal to d by t. We have to calculate distance. Therefore d is equal to S into t. Okay, what is the distance? We don't know. That is called as AC. And speed of the car A is x kilometer into time is 5 hours. Therefore AC is equal to 5x. Afterwards, next the distance. So car A 5x distance ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So distance the distance covered by car B, the distance covered by car B to the point C. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ B ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ again D is equal to S into T. Therefore what is the distance? Distance is BC. So what is the speed? Y kilometer into time is 5. Therefore D is equal to BC. Distance is BC distance is equal to Y into 5y. Okay. So this is AC and this is BC. See AC. So AB plus BC. If you are adding AB plus BC, you will get AC. That's why AC is equal to AB plus BC. Is it right? AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB ಮತ್ತೆ BC ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ AC ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Now AC, what is the distance of AC? 5x. It is equal to AB is 100 plus BC means 5y. Okay, 5x. So I have to send here minus 5y is equal to 100. So the whole equation is divided by 5. So x minus of y is equal to 20. So this is equation number 1. We understood the equation number 1. How you will get in the equation number 1? Yes. The next one, case 2. The two cars travel in travels in the opposite directions. Opposite direction means, see, this is car A and this is car B. So they are traveling to opposite directions. So towards to each other. So after 1 hour, he meet at one point. That is called as D. I don't know what is the distance covered car A and what is the distance covered by car B. We don't know. We have to calculate. After 1 hour, this is after 1 hour. This is after 5 hours. Okay. See friends, the car A covered by the distance covered by car A. The distance covered by car A to the point D. D point car A ಇಂದ D ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so therefore AD is equal to same formula, D is equal to S into T. How many distance? AD. So AD is equal to speed, we know that x kilometer per hour after 1 hour. Therefore AD is equal to x. Okay, AD is equal to x, and then the distance covered by, ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, AD ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ x ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is kilometer. Okay, this is also kilometer. These two are kilometer and this is also kilometer. And then the distance covered by car B to point D. Yes. So B in the D distance cover ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, we don't know. Therefore D is equal to S into T. Same formula. Then what is the D? BD is equal to, what is the speed? Y kilometer per hour, car A kilometer, 1 hour. Therefore BD is equal to Y kilometer. Okay. The next, see, AB is equal to AD plus DB, correct? AD plus BD. See, AB means 100. AD means how much? AD means x kilometer per hour, x plus y. Therefore, and or x plus y is equal to 100. So equation number 2. So solving 1 and 2, you will get the x and y value. Easily you have to get it. See, solve 1 and 2. So what is the first equation? X minus of y is equal to 20. What is the second equation? X plus y is equal to 100. So this is y term already equal. So therefore, the one having a negative sign is there, one having a positive sign is there. You need not to changing the signs. Therefore, you have to directly cancel it. So x plus x, how much? 2x is equal to 100 plus 20, 120. Therefore, x is equal to 2 1s are 2 6s are 0. Therefore, 60 kilometer per hour. That is speed of the car A. Speed of the car A and speed of the car B. We have to calculate the y value. So from 1. So what is the equation? 1. So this is x means 60 minus of y is equal to 20. Okay. Minus y have to send here. Plus 20 have to send here. So 60 minus 20 it is equal to minus y will become plus y. Therefore y is equal to 60 minus of 20 is how much become? 40 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the car B. Okay students, see. So what I will verify that. See, the car A start from A point. So how much kilometer he distance we don't know, point C. After 5 hours he distance point C, the both car at the meet at the single point, that is the same point. See, car A, the speed car A how much? 60 km, 1 hour ಗೆ 60 km travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So 1 hour ಗೆ 60 km. ಎಷ್ಟು hour travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? C point ಈಗ 5 hour travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? A point ಇಂದ C point ಗೆ, A point ಇಂದ C point ಗೆ 5 hour travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 60 km. 5 hours ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6 5s 30, 300 km ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ A ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 300 km ನ travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ B ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 5 ಅವರ್ಸ್ 1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 440 km per hour 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 40 km per hour ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 5s 20. ಸೊ 200 km ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡರ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 km. ಸೊ what is the distance between the two cars? 100 km. Are you understood? So like this we have to verify that. Okay students? Yes. So this is the very important questions to the examinations. Almost all this type of questions they are asking in the board examinations. Okay, how to practice in our properly. So next, the last question. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if the length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increased the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 units. Find the dimensions of the rectangles. See, one rectangle they are given. In that rectangle, we don't know what is the length and breadth. Okay, the length be x we have to take it as, breadth be y have to take it as y. See, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 units. Reduced means decreased. And then increased means raised. See, length yavaga, see, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. So, on the rectangular area 9 square unit kadame agtade yavaga andre if the length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. So length 5 units decrease ಆಗಬೇಕು and breadth 3 units increase ಆದಾಗ ಅದರ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ let the length of rectangle be x units. Next, breadth of rectangle be y units. Okay, suppose length x units are breadth y units are the area. What is the area of rectangle? area of rectangle, it is equal to length into breadth is equal to, what is the length? X. What is the breadth? Y. So xy square unit. So this is the area. How much? Area is equal to xy square unit. Okay, this is the area. So first case, the area of rectangle is reduced by 9 square units if ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು rectangle ನ ಏರಿಯಾ 9 square units reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if the length is reduced by 5 units, if the length is reduced by how much units? 5 units. 5 units, and breadth is increased by 3 units. See, first of all, area of rectangle, it is equal to how much? Area of rectangle we calculated here, xy. Okay, so what is the area of rectangle formula? L into B is equal to xy. So first, see, the area of the rectangle is reduced by 9 square units. What is the area? xy. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 9 square unit ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ xy minus of 9. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು 9 square units ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if the area of the rectangle reduced by 9 square units, if the area of the rectangle reduced by 9 square units, if the length is reduced by 5 units. What is the length? Here, length. What is the length of the rectangle be? X. Okay. So how much units we have to reduce that? 5 units. Therefore, reduced means minus, increased means plus, into. What is the breadth of the rectangle? Y. So breadth is increase. Increase means plus. How much units? 3 units. Therefore, plus 3. So x minus y into y plus 3 is equal to xy minus of 9. Therefore, we have to multiply that x into y, xy. We have to multiply x one time to the y plus 3 and then minus 5 to the y plus 3. X into y, xy, plus into plus plus 3 into x, 3x. Okay, next plus into y, minus. So 5 into y, 5y. Then minus into plus minus 5 3 is 50. It is equal to xy minus of 9. So this y, xy, this xy get cancelled because of if you are saying to the minus plus xy to the LHS, it become minus xy. So minus xy, this is plus xy. So plus xy minus xy get cancelled. That's why I will cancel here only. So 3x minus of 5y minus of 15 is equal to minus 9. Minus 15 have to send that. So what is the remaining here? 3x minus of 5y. It is equal to minus 9. Minus 15 if it is coming is plus 15. So plus 15 minus of 9. What is that? 8. 8 of 7. 7. Okay. 15 minus of 5. 15 minus of 5 is 10. 10 minus of 4 is 6. Sorry. This is 6. 6 units. Yeah. This is equation number 1. Okay. 15. If you are sent to the RHS, it becomes plus 15. Plus 15 here minus 9. So plus 15 minus 9 it becomes plus 6. So 3x minus of 5 is equal to 6. Equation number 1. Next, case 2. So this is case 1. Case 1. This is case 2. What is the case 2? If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area is increased by 67 units. If the area of rectangle is increased by 3 units, sorry, 67 square unit, if ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ if the length of rectangle, the length is increased by how much units? If the length is increased by if we increase the length by 3 units, breadth by 2 units, so increased by 3 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay, so area of rectangle, it is equal to xy. We know that. What is that? L into b is equal to xy. So see, the area of the rectangle is increased by 67. Increased means plus xy plus 67. So if the length is increased by 3 units. What is the length of the rectangle? X. Increased means plus 3. So x plus 3. And also breadth is increased by 2 units. Therefore breadth means y plus 2. Do you understand? So now I have to multiply that x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, plus into plus 3 into y, 3y, plus 3 to 6 is equal to xy plus of 67. So here also plus xy minus xy get cancelled like this. See, x into y, xy. Okay, x into 3, 3x, minus into plus minus, 5 into y, 5y, plus into 5 to 15, like that. Here also we have to do it. So xy get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 2x plus 3y, it is equal to, if you are sent to the plus 6, it becomes minus 6. 67 minus of 6, it becomes 61. Okay, so this is called as number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. What is the equation number 1? 3x plus 3x minus, here students, so here x term 2x is there, here 3x is there, y term 3y is there, here 5y is there, the x is also not equal, y is also not equal, that's why you have to make it as equal. So therefore, this first equation, you have to multiply the second equation, x coefficient what is there? 2 is there, you have to, first equation you have to multiply by 2, and second equations you have to multiply by, so what is the first equation is the coefficient of x in the first equation is 3, therefore you have to multiply by 3. Okay, the first equations you have to multiply by 2. 2 into 3, 6x minus 2 5s are 10y. Then is equal to 2 6s are 12. Then second equations you have to multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 61 into 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 6s are 18. 183. So now you have to cancel to each other. So the changing your sign, plus 6x to minus 6x it cancel, minus 10y minus 9y, it become minus 19y is equal to minus 183 minus of 12. So 3 minus of 2 is 1 and 8 minus of 1 is 7 and this is 171. Okay, so therefore minus minus get cancel, 19 ones are 19. Okay, 19 nines are 179. Therefore y is equal to what? 9 units. So this is what? Breadth of the rectangle. So I want length also. So from 1, so what is the equation for 1 here? So 3x minus of 5y, 3x minus of 5 into y means I already find out this is 9, it is equal to 6, is equal to 6. So 3x minus of 5 nines are 45 is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6 minus 45 this means plus 45. Therefore 3x is equal to 45 plus of 6. How much? 51. Therefore x is equal to 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. Therefore 17 units. Okay. See students, the length of the rectangle will be 17 units and the breadth of the rectangle will be 9 units. So first case I will sit. See students. So like this, finally the length of the rectangle will be 17 units, the breadth of the rectangle will be 9 units. Okay. So like this we have to solve it. Okay. Dear students, in the next classes we are discussing the reducible pair of linear equations. This exercise will be completed. Okay students, thank you.